Today I'm going to show you how to make the Ferris wheel using Speks. So first things first, you're going to get 16 Speks and form them into a ring. Then using a chain, you're going to slowly build this up so that it creates a tube that is 18 Speks tall. Once your tube is completed, you're going to take a chain of a different color and begin wrapping it around the first tube. Make sure that everything is interlocked here. You may notice that the first tube kind of sticks out or forms a sort of hexagonal pattern when you're wrapping it around. That is totally fine. Here I kind of squished it into an oval, and I found that was the easiest way to get the chain wrapped around the first tube. Since there are two layers that are interlocked, it becomes really malleable and easy to squish. And I squished this one into a triangle shape like so. Once you have your triangle shape formed, take your splitter card and split it into 6 equal sections, so 3 Speks in each section. And then you're just going to interlock all of these pieces and it forms this super cute Ferris wheel. Happy building!